Hey everybody, Dubs here, and this is box break number 58, 11-12 Titanium. So here's our list of winning bidders. Full house tonight. We got 4 5+ teams winners here tonight. Sean 1989-77, Golf Nuts 7777, DJ and Ella's Mom, and F Bennett HCSG. So good for you guys. For your 5+ teams bonuses. For Aaron, I have a Marion Gaborik jersey card from Limited. For Golf Nut, I've got a Future Watch of Cameron Gaunce for the Colorado Avalanche. For Bennett, I've got a James Van Riemsdyk Authentic Fabrics card for the Flyers. And for Sean, I've got a Trilogy Tricolor Tandems of Phil Kessel and Mark Savard for the Boston Bruins. And it comes with its own neat little congratulations certificate of authenticity. So there you go, Sean. The short straw bonus for today will feature a Authentic Fabrics duel of Stefan Weiss and David Booth for the Panthers, and a Alexander Picard and Brad Boys duel for those two teams. So those are your that is your short straw bonus card. So if you fail to get a hit during the regular break, you will be eligible for one of those two cards. Let's just swing over, take a look at the roulette board for today. So the green chip is a Zach Cassie and Aaron Pelushaj Rookie Rivalries card from Rookie Anthology, as well as the 50 orange chip is a Net Presence card from Limited of Marc-Andre Fleury and Claude Giroux. And as you can see there, the container that I have it in is very tapey, gooey, gunky, but yeah, the net card's not gooey or gunky. But we've got a green on 36, green on 31, green on 30, orange on 23, green on 16, orange on 14, green on 8, 6, 0, and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on the wheel, we'll give away the associated card. And if both get spun, we will give away the higher value of the two, which would be the Net Presence card. Here is our box of Titanium. Before we get to that, though, we're going to give away a team for free in this week's Winnipeg Jets Gnome free team. So we will spin the wheel, and then we will take a look at our bonus board. So we have team number 24. So team 24. 24. And the team that'll be walking away with their team for free tonight will be the New York Islanders, and that is DJ and Ella's Mom. So congratulations, Aaron. I will refund that team to you at a later time. So here is Titanium. Here is our serial. NE181121754. So we'll crack this puppy open and see what styrofoam. And we'll see what kind of cool stuff we can get out of here. 5 packs. Shuffle it around a little bit. All right, camera move back a little bit, and here we go. Good luck to everybody. So first pack. Up front we have Marc-Andre Fleury for the Penguins, Henrik Zetterberg for the Red Wings, Johnny F-Bomb Taves for the Blackhawks, and our first strike of the break is going to the Oh, looks like it's going to be a toss-up. Triple kill. So our first hit is a hat tricks card of Eric Lindros, Martin Brodeur, and Jaromir Jagr for the Flyers, Devils, and Penguins respectively. It is 164 out of 199. So what we're going to do here, not only is the card on the line, but a pack of OPG for the first strike bonus is on the line as well. So here we've got our sudden death card. So Lindros will be represented by the numbers 1 to 12. Brodeur will be 13 to 24. And Jagr is 25 to 36. We'll spin the wheel and we'll see which number that lands on. And if it's 000, we will roll again. So here's our spin. Once again, 1 to 12 for Lindros, 13 to 24 for Brodeur, and 25 to 36 for Jagr. And it is number 3. So number 3, that one is going to the Philadelphia Flyers and Bennett. So congratulations, Bennett. You have not only claimed the Trios card, but the OPG pack as well for the first strike. So congratulations. And I will just jot down the Trios to Philly. All right. Nice first pack to start us off. Titanium rarely lets you down. All right, pack number 2. Up front, we got Teemu Selanne for the Ducks. We got Jamie Benn for the Stars. Pavel Datsyuk for the Red Wings. And for the Colorado Avalanche, it is a TJ Gaiardi game-worn gear. It is a nice blue swatch there, so that is going to Golf Nut 5/7s. Avalanche. Pack number 3. So up front we got Pekka Rinne for the Nashville Predators, followed by Ryan O'Reilly for the Colorado Avalanche. From the back we have Dion Phaneuf for the Maple Leafs, and our hit for this pack is going to the Dallas Stars. It is a Brendan Morrow Gold game-worn gear, numbered 41 out of 50, and that is going to Golf Nut 5/7s. There. So we got a gold and black prime jersey seam piece. So there you go, Golf Nut. Next pack. Oh, this one's tight. And we got Evander Kane on the back for the Jets. Spoilers. All right, up front we got Patrick Marleau for the San Jose Sharks, followed by Patrick Sharp for the Blackhawks. From the back, Evander Kane for the Jets. From the back again, massive spacer. And our next hit going to the Nashville Predators. It is a Craig Smith New Wave autographed card for Golf Nut again. So there you go, not numbered. Craig Smith, Predators. And moving to the last pack. We got a James Neal for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Logan Couture for the San Jose Sharks. From the back, Evgeny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins. From the back again, lousy Spacer. And another New Wave auto. This one is going to Justin Falk and the Carolina Hurricanes, and that is DJ Anila's mom. Once again, not numbered. So Falk, New Wave auto for the Canes. So that is the regular portion of the break. Oops, I forgot to write that down. Now we'll take a look at the bonus board. See what kind of fun stuff we're going to be giving away for today. So we will spin. And we're number 22. Pen cap stuck. 22. So on our prize board, we'll be taking a look at number 22. Well, there you go. Didn't even get to reveal it. Lousy. It is a 0910 OPG Premier Stitchings of Thomas Vanek. So Thomas Vanek, OPG Premier Stitchings, he scored the 10,000th Buffalo Sabres goal. Who knew? Number 104 out of 199. So we'll jump back over to the bonus board. We'll spin the wheel again to see who's taken that one home. And that is number 5. So team 5, that one is going to the Columbus Blue Jackets. And that one was owned by Sean, 1989-77. So there you go, Sean. Vanek OPG Premier Stitchings. Columbus. Alright, now we'll take a look at the short straw bonus for today. Once again, here are our 2 cards. The one on the right is the Authentic Fabrics Duel, and the one on the left is the one-on-one duel. I'm just going to quickly run through the cards here, make sure I got all the hits. Carolina, Nashville, Dallas, Avalanche, and the Flyers had the hat tricks. Yeah, so we're all good. So here we are, bottom guys got hits. They are not important, so we'll just shove them off to the side. We'll get our cup. We will filter these teams into that cup. We'll shake it about. So first, for the MVP one-on-one, that one is going to the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bennett. And the second Authentic Fabrics of Weiss and Booth is going to the New York Islanders and DJ and Ella's mom, which she got for free earlier on. So Islanders free team, getting something for them. Penguins and Islanders. 5 and 22. Okay. Did I spin a 3? I want to say I spun a 3. If I didn't, we're spinning a 3 anyway. So here's our numbers that we've spun today. We got 24, 22, 5, and 3. I think we did a 3, but I'm not sure, but I'm putting it down anyway. So we'll just take a look here. Number 24 and 22, saddling the 23, and 5 and 3, which is cornering that green. So we're going to spin the wheel 3 more times and see if we can get you anything from the board. So that stops at number 23. Oh, there we go, 23. Net presents card being given away. Only needed 1 spin. It's just so you guys can see the cleanliness of Man, how do you open this thing? So you can see the cleanliness of the card, tape aside. There you go, nice and clean, no scuff marks. Now there's scuff marks. So we will spin the wheel one more time, and we'll reveal the team that will be taking home the net presence card. So that is number 11. 11. We'll take a look at the board again. And the team that will be taking home the net presence card is the Colorado Avalanche and Golf Nut. 5 sevens. So there you go. That one is heading your way. Net presence going to the Avalanche. And finally, we will be taking a look at bingo. Now, if you were with us last break, we happened to hit a bingo on the 10-11 OPG. And normally what I would do in this kind of a situation, we would have 2 boxes that would be going against each other for the blackout. But since we only have 1, not as exciting, but still going for the blackout. So unfortunately, because we have so many blank spots here, we won't be getting, it is statistically impossible to get a blackout, but we'll still draw 6 marbles. Oh, that one rolled away. So statistically impossible to get a blackout, but we'll still pick the marbles and see how if we can fill it up pretty good. So we got N45. So N45, filling out the board a little bit. Followed by G54. And G54 is not on the board. Followed by an I-23. Yes, thank you, Bruins, for pointing that out. I got caught up in the bingo moment there, but yes, we do have G48 from last break. And I missed what marble I just picked. I-23. So I-23, not there. And next up is I-27. I-27, another one up top. Also, at least we're getting a good amount of hits here. I-19, which is a miss. And the last one is N36. And N36 is doing nothing for us either. So we put a couple on there, getting closer to a blackout, which we will continue next week. And yeah, so you'll have to tune into that, see how much we can fill in that board next week. So that is titanium. Lost my train of thought there for a second. Hope you guys enjoyed the hits that were pulled and the bonus content that we gave away. Pretty sweet that I could give away that net presence card. I think this is the first break that it's been in, so at least we're moving some good product there. So congratulations to everybody that got something, and we will hope to see you again next week. And next week, I believe I'm pulling some titanium on Friday, and on Thursday I am doing SP Game Used. So SP Game Used, which is not broken on the site very much because of its dumb price. But yeah, SP Game Used next week in titanium. So check it out, and check out 643boxbreaks.com where we have buy it nows and auctions ending every day. So hope you guys enjoyed and have a good night.